Hello, everyone. I just wanted to say hi. I just made an awesome green smoothie and I wanted to share. I wanted to come outside and just see how things are in the garden and probably do a little bit of work in the garden. But while I'm walking, I just wanted to say how wonderful is it to be outside. And I'm so grateful that I have a wonderful garden. So I was able to make this smoothie mostly from my garden, using parsley, using mint. There was also chard, and there was also um, I added some flax oil and lemon juice, and let's see what else was in it. Oh, garlic leaves. And it turned out to be great. I added spinach that was from the store, not from my garden. Spinach just does not do well here for some reason. So I made this great smoothie. Mm. So delightful and light. And it's gorgeous out there today. So I thought I'm going to come down and check on my garden and see how the internet connection is also today. So I was going to walk down farther and see if the internet connection will hold or not. I'm going to check in my little garden. Everything looks beautiful. The chickens are coming after me. Hi, ladies. I'm going to show you guys the chickens. Hi, ladies. You guys going to come with me? Yeah? We're going to go down to the orchards. Yeah? All right. Well, let's go. Many times they come with me. And that is great because they pick on the different bugs. And let me show you guys what's growing here. We have the wonderful currants. There's red currants that are growing, and we have black currants and white currants. And this beautiful bush is a gummy berry that has wonderful flowers. And here are helpful chickens. Hi, girls. I'm going to keep on going. This is our kiwi up here. And as we're heading down, here are beautiful blueberries and amazing ferns everywhere in the forest. A cherry tree, a plum tree, and more blueberries. And these are lemon blueberries. A lot of wonderful salal that is growing here naturally, is a native plant. And this is for our mason bees that we have built here. See all the places where it's filled in, there's little bees inside. And this is one of my gardens. And we have mushrooms that are started to grow. And I think these mushrooms I planted in a mushroom bed, but they want to grow here. And you can see the parsnip and the garlic is doing really well. And right here is a fig tree. We'll see if we have figs this year or not. And salal and red huckleberry. And the forest, of course, is around us. So wild cherry and alder trees and evergreens. And so far, it seems like that the internet connection is holding. So I'm just going to keep walking. And I'm going to show you guys the native berries right here that are starting to grow. These are what's called red cups, and I love them. And they're kind of protruding the way, but I like them so much, so we are not cutting them back. I might work on pulling them back a little bit with some natural tie because they are kind of in the way, but that's all right. I don't mind. So one thing I I've learned is that strawberries are really good for like strawberry combination. So what I've been working on in our orchard is berries. Also added at times and multi. So here is a wonderful tree that is blooming for the first time this year. So we are really excited. Um, it's an apple tree, but kind of apple. See, in a base, there's a big circle to kind of it and keep it more. The 5 plant round to have the